Hey guys, hi. Welcome to Wings on Agile.com, and this is the very first tutorial of PHP in which I will tell you the introduction of PHP, why we use PHP and how we use PHP, what are the prerequisites for PHP, what elements do we need for PHP development and all. So let me first tell you what PHP as a programming language is. PHP is a server-side scripting language which is used to develop dynamic web applications. Now, PHP is a very good language to start with, and it is very much in demand these days. So here we focus on the basic development on PHP. We focus on coding rather than the theoretical aspects of the programming language. So here you in admin unit you will come to learn more about the coding concepts and a lot of things, a lot of modules that we use in our programming languages. So let me just tell you the basic requirements for PHP development. So first of all, we need a text editor that we can code PHP. Basically, I use Notepad++ for that. I feel it's the best among all. It's a nice IDE for coding and everything. There are so many tools and inbuilt things which we can use for development. Second thing that we need is PHP installed on our computer. PHP so that so that we can deploy the code on a local server, test the things. As PHP is a server-side language, so we need that the PHP file reside on a server. So for that, we need Apache server installed on our PC, so that this is the this is the place where we put our coding files and we run our coding files from in here. So what I suggest, not to separately download and install each and every tool on your laptop or PC. So I would recommend that you download the XAMPP application, which is freely available on the current site, which is apachefriends.org. It is a free tool. It is like a suite of applications, which uh, which integrates with PHP and Apache server. In this single application, you will get PHP, MySQL, Apache server installed. So there is no need to install the application separately. You just download and install XAMPP, the latest version, on Windows, Linux, iOS, whatever you want. You just download XAMPP and you will be configured with PHP and Apache server. And later on, we will learn how to manage MySQL database through XAMPP. So let me show you the glimpse of XAMPP. This is the XAMPP control panel. This you will get once you install the suite XAMPP, and this is the installation file I have already installed it in my C drive, so I do not have further need to do the same. But let me just show you the code folder. XAMPP, it's in the C drive. You can also install it any of the directories you want, and these are the different files. This is PHP. This is PHP for MySQL database. We learn more when we move further. But our main concern is XMPP control panel, which will let you see the current servers running. And as we can see, this is Apache. Apache is a server in which PHP file resides, and it is currently working on port 80. And we can stop and we can start as per our need. And it is currently started. And for the administrator review, and here the Apache services is stopped once I have provided the administrator right. And you want to start it, you can just click on start. Again, it is asking for an administrator right. Here you go, and here the Apache service is running. Now that's the main thing you need to download to configure the PHP. You just download the XAMPP suite and you're ready to go. So you must have grabbed what PHP is and what are the requirements to start development on PHP. We require that you have basic knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you have prior knowledge to these small languages, then you basically do not face any difficulty in learning PHP. So that's all about the introduction, and I would like to let you know, guys, that we are no experts. We are only beginners, and our main purpose is to serve beginners so that easy knowledge can be transformed into good coding skills and everything that a beginner require. We are there to provide them the same. So that's it for the introduction. In the next tutorial, we will see the working environment of PHP, where we save our files, in what extension we save our files, the basic delimiter of PHP. We'll see all these things in the next tutorial. And if you do face any problem in configuring XAMPP, then you can freely email us at info@wingsonedu.com, or you can leave your query in the feedback section of our website, wingsonedu.com. Thank you very much for looking at the tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will begin with basic environment of PHP. Thank you very much.